Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer Solana from Bitget to Phantom wallet. So I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer the Solana from the Bitget. So you have to watch it very end so you don't make any mistake. So the first thing you have to do is to copy your Phantom wallet address. So to do that, open the Phantom wallet and copy your Solana address, then open the Bitget app or website and log in. Then tap on assets, then click on withdraw, then select the SOL as the cryptocurrency. Then from there paste the wallet address, then choose the Solana network, which is very important. Make sure you're on Solana network so you will lose your crypto. Then enter the amount of Solana to transfer, then double check the address and network, then complete any security verification and confirm the transactions. After that, wait for a few seconds for the transfer to complete. Then after that, your Solana should reflect in your Phantom wallet, and that's just a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer Solana from Bitget to Phantom wallet. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.